Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download for free Instagram Reel videos. Let's jump right to Instagram and let's try to find the video that we want to download, okay? Let's say we want to download this video over here. All you gotta do is to click on the three dots on the top right corner of the video, right? Then I want you to click link. There is a button, the second button, link. You want to click on it and we just copied the link from the video on our clipboard. Now I want you to go on Google Chrome and I want you to look for this website over here. It's called publer.io. When you're at Publer, all you gotta do is to, again, paste the link that we just copied and click download. So this particular website over here will download videos for you without watermark. They don't ask you for registrations, and also I'm looking here, they say there is no ads on the website. I don't know, I'm scrolling through the feed, I cannot see any. Okay, here is the video over here. Here is the download button. You can actually just click post, and if you have linked your IG, which I'm not suggesting, I haven't linked my IG. So essentially, also guys, this website allows you to download photos from Instagram, videos from Instagram, stories from Instagram. Also, you can download TikTok videos from here. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.